The bottom lid, now we always want the outer edge of the eyelashes. You see how that softens the eye? I'm gonna do this without going down at that corner. And eyes can be sharper. Let's see, my stroke is not getting, I have my pinky down, which is really spider-like. All right, there. All right, so I'm gonna pull some of those out. All right. So if I don't do the eyelashes down here, then you can see it feels a little bit sharper. It's almost like they're pushing that muscle up here and in here. So it pushes the eyelashes down, up so that they look a little bit sharper. Depends on who you're working on, but a lot of times what I see is people forget to let them come down below the eye, down in this area, and it softens the look of the person when you bring them down around the outside edge. The white corner will still be up here, and that's a little too far down. So you get the idea of what I'm talking about. So let me go back in. So the bottom lashes on the bottom row, if they end right here, they're light and they come straight below the eye and there's less of them. And you just want to go softly with them. You don't really want to put eyeliner around them. You're just going to go soft. All right. And then you can dab, in this case, in oils, in pastels, you can dab. Those eyelashes look terrible up there.
What are you dabbing?
With I'm softening the color so that they aren't as strong. Let me get some of that back in there.
I notice with my kids, the boys tend to have the longest lashes instead of the girls.
Instead of the girls, darn. All right, so on the edge of my shadow here would be a place, so anytime, so this color will work, but unless I put a warmth between that color and the other colors, it won't. So this is a warm color, it made it work. But if I put that color next to this color without putting that warm color between, it won't work. So even in this area, I have to make sure that my color has some orange to the color.